Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making garlic butter, beef and potatoes. You will need 1 pound baby potatoes, 1.5 pounds beef stew meat, 4 tablespoons butter, 6 cloves of garlic, half a cup beef broth, 1 tablespoon olive oil, half a teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon pepper, half a teaspoon dry thyme, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, and half a teaspoon dry rosemary. I use baby potatoes so I don't have to peel them. If you're using regular potatoes, be sure to peel them before cutting. Cut the potatoes into large chunks. Heat a pot over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Add the chopped beef, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Each piece should touch the bottom. Sear for 1 to 2 minutes, then flip and brown all sides. If the meat starts sticking, add a bit more oil. Once browned, transfer the beef to a plate, but leave the oil in the pot. This is what it's supposed to look like. Repeat this process until all the meat is browned. Now let's make the sauce. Add 4 tablespoons of butter to the pot and let it melt. Then add salt, pepper, onion powder, paprika, dried thyme, and dried rosemary. Reduce the heat to low. Add minced garlic. Cook for about 1 minute, stirring well. In the same pot where you brown the meat, add the chopped potatoes. Return the seared beef. And pour the sauce over everything. And in the end, pour the beef broth. Cover the pot and preheat your oven to 180, which is low, for the slow cooking. Let it cook for 6 to 8 hours. Look how beautiful this turns out. I can't even describe the aroma and the taste. It's out of this world. You gotta try it yourself. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.